Hello, future CAs. I have been reading all your comments with respect to Sir. We want expected question for accounts, law, audit, SM as soon as possible. And here we go, presenting to you expected question for advanced accounts CA Inter September 26 exams. Now, before you go and comment, sir, when will you give for law, audit, SM? I will give it to you all before the end of this month itself, and that's a promise, guys. But for that to happen, I have two conditions, and you have to satisfy both the conditions. The first one, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, go hit the subscribe button, guys, because that's when you will keep getting all the updates we're going to give you till your exams. And before I tell you the second one, let me tell you that this is the most genuine, honest and trustable resource across the country, and let me show you why with evidence. Ever since we started giving expected questions from new syllabus, every attempt we get somewhere between 40 to 50,000 students who trust this from across the India, and they keep coming back for this because it works. And the second condition I gave for you guys is, if you're a student who relied on this resource in any of the previous attempts for accounts, law, audit or SM, I want you to comment on this video as to how helpful this was for your exams. I'm asking for this for one reason, because you guys keep commenting, sir, we want it fast. But trust me, the kind of effort that goes into preparing this is enormous for each subject. It's not simply copy pasting from previous attempt and giving it to you. Let me show you how we actually prepare this for every attempt. What I actually do is, I have analyzed and mapped every single topic in your advanced accounting syllabus right from May 24 till the latest attempt of May 26, and I try to analyze patterns like a stock market, and these patterns have been working every single time. Let me show you one for your upcoming September 26 exams. Now, if you take the standard AS 19 and AS 20, if you take this, in May 24, it came together in descriptive 4 plus 4 marks. In September 24, it came together in MCQ, not in descriptive. In Jan 25, again it came together in descriptive. In May 25, these both came for again together in MCQ only. In September 25, last year September, completely skipped both these topics. In Jan 26, again they came together in descriptive, and in this latest May 26, they have come only for 2 marks in MCQ. So based on this pattern, if you see, it's coming in descriptive once, getting skipped. Coming in descriptive once, getting skipped. So May 26 it was skipped. That means in the September 26 exams, the chances for AS 19 and 20 is little high. So based on this, for all the topics, I go through a detailed analysis, and that is how the expected questions topics is prepared and given to you. So what I have done, I have broken down the expected questions PDF for you into 4 parts. Let me explain this in detail for you guys. The first part is the most important accounting standards, which are important for both descriptive and for MCQ type questions. Along with these topics, I also give you which question you have to go and read in my material. I will explain that in some time. That's why we have this video. The second thing is MCQ related, specifically apart from what is there above, what should I extra focus on. Third, descriptive, other topics like consolidation, amalgamation, what questions are important and what type of questions are important. And fourth, which I give for every attempt, surprise questions. If ICA decides to hammer you guys in the exam by giving a tough paper like audit, FM or tax like previous exams, then what should you be ready for, guys? Before I explain this entire expected question PDF, before you use this PDF, it's important you listen to me for the next 5 to 10 minutes, because I will explain this in detail. Now let me show you some key resources which are very, very relevant for your exam. The first one is the Advanced Accounts Exemption Marathon. I have given free marathon on YouTube for 40 hours one video. And for MCQ concepts, I have solved 20 case study MCQs and MCQ Marathon for 3 hours. Both these videos are freely available on YouTube. The Advanced Accounts Exemption Marathon already crossed 1 lakh views in 40 hours, and the MCQ Marathon, where I have solved 20 case study MCQs covering all different types of concepts. Yes, these videos are posted in the last 7 to 8 months, but very much relevant for your September 26 exam for revision. Why, sir? Because there are no amendments in Advanced Accounts. The second important resource is my latest material in Advanced Accounts, the concept book, the workout book and MCQ book, all color. The PDF is given to you for free. I will show this book sometime later in this video itself when I am explaining these questions, because all the questions and theory reference I gave is mapped to my book. So I am giving you the PDF also for free. And lastly, for those students, if you feel I need some quick revision in a few concepts, sir, few chapters I have missed out, I need classes, I need workout for that, I want expected questions based classes, Advanced Accounts 30 days validity classes, where we have solved beyond ICA illustrations. ICA illustrations we have a few. Beyond that, 100 plus questions are solved, and including ICA illustrations, I have given the 30-day validity course for all the subjects of CA classroom in our website for extremely affordable prices. You can take subject wise, or you can also take combo of accounts and law or audit and SM. All details are available in the website, guys. Now finally, coming back to our expected questions. Sir, where do I download this PDF, sir? First, many of you will have that doubt. The PDF, either you can download in the website of the CA classroom, I will show you where to download it, or in the description of this video. In the Telegram channel, you join the Telegram channel and I will upload it over there. So all you have to do is go to the CA classroom website and go to free resources section, and over here you can find expected questions. I will upload it over there, or very simple thing, just join the Telegram group and you will find it over there. Now coming to the main part of explaining this PDF for the next 5 minutes, and that's it, we'll be done, guys. So first, in accounting standards, what I have done, these standards are very important, either AS 26 or 28, AS 7, 19 or 20, I already told you it's very, very important for September 26, AS 12 or 16, 17 or 18, 23 or 27, 22 or 29. And for each of these standards, what are the bare minimum questions? You guys know what is bare minimum, princess treatment. Like that over here, what is the bare minimum questions you have to solve? For each of the accounting standards, I have given question wise. For example, AS 26 from my material, question 467, at least that you see, it's enough. What is my material? Go to my material. For example, for every question, what I have done in my entire material, in question, important adjustments I highlight in green like this. In answer, important workings are given in red over here, and below most of the answers, whatever are the common mistakes you do will be highlighted over there. And in the end of every chapter, I also give what are the common red flags or mistakes you will do in that entire chapter. If you have time, you can read that, guys. Now coming back over here, now look at this, all the sums and their points are mentioned over here. These topics are important for descriptive as well as for MCQ. Now for MCQ, additionally, what should I read, sir? Come down. MCQ related standards, most probably this will come only in MCQ. AS1 has been very, very long, then AS2 or AS9. AS4 or 5, I am saying less important because in the latest May 26, both were tested. And these are tested only once in 3 attempts. So for September, keep AS4 or 5 to the last. Then internal reconstruction, last time in May 26, that is the most controversial question, where the journal entry, because you didn't write that 50 or 10, you lost marks. So this time it will be shifted to MCQ. And AS related theory, last time they asked some theory question, last 15th MCQ question is always theory. So how do you handle this MCQ and theory? 2 resources. One, I already told you, we have the MCQ Marathon. Just spend 3 to 4 hours in watch in 1.5 speed. This is one. And second, I have my MCQ material again for free for you guys. I have taken MCQ questions from RTPs, from MTPs, previous year's papers, then ICA booklet, and I have also created my own MTP, around 6 own questions I have created based using CSK and Shah Rukh Khan examples I have created, and I have curated covering the entire syllabus 60 unique MCQ questions, and for each question I will give the source over there, and for the answer also will be given along with explanation as to why is the correct answer. You can practice from this particular resource, guys. Now getting back to our expected question list, come down. For AS related theory, what do I do, sir? Theory accounts I always skipped, sir. Don't worry. You can go to my concept note, which is again given to you for free. So here AS4 is just 1 page. AS5 is just 1 page. 2 pages, sorry. AS7 is 3 pages. So every standard is in crisp 1 to 4 pages. At least this theory, it's self-study based way. You can quickly go and read that, guys. That is for your theory. You can use my summary notes. This also is available in the website for free. Now come to descriptive chapters. Descriptive chapters. This time AS13 is very important because AS13 was not tested in the last 2 attempts. Investment account, I have given you important questions over here based on my material. AS3 is coming in every attempt, so it's important same way. Branch accounts, this time I feel foreign branch or debtors or stock and debtors method will come, because last time they asked theory, and independent branch cannot come for 6 marks. It has to be 10 or 12 mark question. So if you want to skip branch, at least read this little. For consolidation and amalgamation also I have given the question numbers. I have marked at least the bare minimum questions you have to see. For amalgamation I have given type of questions also over here. Schedule 3, this time again you expect an MCQ because last time it came in 14 marks, and I have given the important adjustment and the sums that you need. Accounts theory, I will give it 5 to 6 days before your exam. Top 10 theory questions. Last time we picked the branch question. It came for 6 marks. A lot of you told me. Internal reconstruction, go through share surrender. This time buyback is very important. Question 4, 5, 9. That simultaneous equation and the test. Those 3 tests I think they will ask in the main sum itself this time. And if the question is paper is very hard, I have selected 6 different type of questions. I have given the reference over here. You can go through this also. For example, consolidation, what are the important ICA study mat questions. AS28, I have taken a question from CA final material. All the relevant resources you need, which I am talking in this video, will be there in the description of this video itself, guys. That's about it. This is the expected question for advanced accounts September 26 exams, and like I told you, for other subjects of law, audit, SM, you will be getting it in the next 1 week itself. Maximum before July end I will be giving it to you, guys. That's about it. Lastly, thank you all for the trust that you have on me for every attempt. I will keep working for the betterment of our community. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.